असम मेघालय के बीच लंबित सीमा विवाद के चलते सीमाई इलाकों में विकास कार्य बाधित हो रहा है। मेघालय की एमडीए सरकार इस दिशा में ठोस कदम नहीं उठा रही। रामराई के एमएलए किम्फा मार्बनियांग ने यह गंभीर आरोप लगाया। उन्होंने आरोप लगाते हुए कहा कि असम सरकार के सामने मेघालय सरकार कहीं न कहीं कमजोर पड़ रही है। दोनों राज्यों के मुख्यमंत्री इस मुद्दे को लेकर कई बार बैठक कर चुके हैं, लेकिन नतीजा नहीं निकल पाया। विवादित इलाकों में कोई भी विकास कार्य शुरू करने के लिए राज्यों के बीच आपसी सहमति जरूरी होती है। असम सरकार की असहमति के चलते सीमाई इलाके पिछड़ रहे हैं। किम्फा मार्बनियांग ने अब केंद्र से इस सिलसिले में हस्तक्षेप की अपील की है।
It's very unfortunate that from our side we are not be able to do much in order to solve the border issue. Most of the developmental issues which we have been speaking from time to time have been stopped by the Assam government. In fact, the status quo has not been respected by the counterpart in Assam. Whereas from our side, we have been trying to solve the issue by telling that status quo should be maintained and all the developmental issues from both sides should go on. But it seems like only the Assam government has been encroaching into our areas, and this encroachment has led to the violation and the instability and creating a fear psychosis in the border areas. So just like to request our government to kindly look into all the aspects and to kindly solve the issue as soon as possible. Government has been trying, and from the DC level also they have been meeting the counterpart from time to time, but the minutes of the meeting has not been submitted to our counterpart. So in this regard, which led to the Assam government to take advantage and to stop all the developmental work in Assam side, in Meghalaya side. There has actually they have appointed a Chandrachud committee which was not accepted by our government. The centre actually has already spoken like it's between these two states to solve this issue. So the centre also has pointed out that if the two states sit together, then only the problem will be resolved.